What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We got something from Rike and something from Kyoto. We're going with Kyoto. Keto's easy. We'll go with K. We got something from K and some from Rike. So let's do K first. Don't quite remember what these are. Does it say the name anywhere? Oh, okay. This is KT Mecha or Mechanics. I want to say it was No, there's no N. So Mechax, the Mechax, with the titanium handle and M390 blade. I kind of forgot I was checking these out, like getting these. Looks like a freaking futuristic Cybertruck type thing. I don't know. A little card right here. Oh, okay. So here's all the information on there. Cool, cool. Maybe that makes it nice. I really do, and I love when they like send this type of information out because sometimes it's hard to find stuff. Do they have blade shape? Because I remember seeing this, and I have no clue what the blade shape is. What you would call this? No. But you get that. You get a cloth. You get the knife, of course. Check it out. Yeah, so see, what would you call this? Because I couldn't find it anywhere. A reverse Tonto. If I can get it on the screen, sorry. Reverse Tonto. Or reverse Tonto Warncliffe drop point. I don't know. It's baffled me. It baffled me because I do remember seeing this and I was like, I have no clue what that is. But not bad, I guess, though. Looking, it's kind of just kind of futuristic-y. Is that a word? Futuristic-y or futuristically? No clue, but you know, make words up. It's all right. Um, oop. I have noticed that more and more companies are starting to use those like paddles, the thumb paddles, and I don't mind them. I first got to use one on, I think it was the Kunlu Chad, and you know what? I loved it. I loved it on those compact Chad. There's been a couple other knives that I've had it on that I got to check out that I really liked them. I really like the thumb pads. They work really well. Okay, so there we go. So sometimes I put my thumb underneath, or I put it on the thumb pad. Well, and it works both ways, so that works. And then you obviously reverse flip, bam, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. And the rear flipper tab obviously works just fine. It does feel pretty good in hand though. It's kind of, I don't know, it kind of feels, it doesn't, I don't know, it just looks like it's a humpback type, I don't know how to explain it. It looks like it wouldn't be real comfortable to me, but it actually is not bad. Especially because it has like a little bit of a troll right there. So you can choke up just a little bit, put your thumb or your finger right on that pad right there, and you kind of choke up a little bit, and it actually feels really good right there. That's not bad at all. I like that. Not shabby at all. So we have some jimping right there. We got some texturing right here, some jimping also. This is an integral lock or an integral frame, integral. Oh my gosh, tongue twister. An integral. Am I saying that right? Integral, growl. Oh my gosh, today's killing me with words. An integral frame. This is my first one though. So is that like? So what's the button for then? Oh, that's it. Oh, dope, dude. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, okay, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. So it comes right off. You just have this little. I'm gonna put the blade away real quick. You just have this little button right here, and you just pull it back, and obviously it pulls that in, and this thing comes right off. That's cool. Okay, I like this. At first I was like, yeah, looks a little awkward, but that makes it that's cool. That I like it now a lot. That's cool. It's like it reminds me of a turtle shell, except it's kind of a. I almost would be. I don't even think I would take this off a lot just because I wouldn't want to damage it. scratch it up and everything, even though you obviously don't see that. But still, I don't know what that screw right there is for. Here's a screw. And it is... No, I think it's the latch on. Okay, so you have like this thing. You have like a little edge. And you pull it back. And it once you pull it back, well, if you don't pull it out, obviously it goes under there. So you can adjust it, I guess. But that's where it goes. That's, I'm assuming. Let's check it out. See if the theory's right, y'all. Yeah, so you gotta pull that out. But I can't get it back on. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so that's what it is. Cool. Can you see it on the other side? Okay, so yeah, you can even see it on the inside a little bit. You can't, well, I can see it. Y'all can't see it, though. That's cool. That's cool. I like that. So, that's a winner. Sorry it took forever for that. It is a liner lock right there. Not too bad. Or I guess, or is it a frame? Okay, so I think it's maybe a frame lock then. Yeah, okay, seriously, this thing's trippy. I'm tripping balls on this thing. So it's almost like it's a, oh no, it is a frame lock. Okay, so you have that right there. So when you have it apart, I'll take it apart on the final review. I won't do all that again, but it's a frame lock. It's all connected. Okay, so that's cool. That's crazy. And then you also have little glow-in-the-dark things right here. Let's test them out real quick. Turn off all my freaking lights. Let's turn this on. See if we can get it kind of bright. See how well they kind of do. And this one goes right here. Oh, okay, so those are pretty bright though. Those aren't too bad. Cool. Alright, lights on. There we go. There we go. We're all good again. We're all good. So that's kind of cool. So they have lights right there. Or little glow-in-the-dark things. Pocket clips, not bad at all. I like that too. Not bad. I'm really kind of impressed with this thing. Got a little lanyard hole right there, lanyard slot. Was this M390? I think that's what I saw. Yeah, M390. I like the pads though, I really do. Got nice texturing on this, so it does help with like grip and everything. So that's cool. I like that. Jimping was pretty nice, so I actually like the jimping quite a bit too. This thing's kind of crazy, kind of dope though. I'm not gonna lie. I like it. Kind of grew on me. It grew on me in about a span of 5 minutes. How about we check something else out though, so I don't spend all my time checking this thing out and Googling it. Googling it. Let's check out Rike. I think this was like something that looked the same as it ish, except yeah, black. What do I get? Sticker, card, cloth, usual. And now I don't want to go back in. But we will fight with that later, because I'm not going to spend my whole day fighting that crap. And this is a... What the heck is that? Like a pocket clip? So it comes with a bit. So what the heck's going on with this one, shall we see? Oh, there's no pocket clip. That's part of it. Okay. So. Oh, this one doesn't have a pivot on. Oh. Man, this doesn't have a pivot on it either. It's on the inside. That's cool. Let's check this one out, though. Let's see what's going on, because I don't know what... That's a pocket clip, but how does that work? Let's find out. It's got the same thing on it. Let's see if it... The heck is going to come off, is what I'm kind of wondering. There it goes. What the heck? Dude, don't tell me. Okay. Don't tell me that's what this is. Okay, so... Alright, so... This is a pocket clip. And I think the pocket clip... You take it out of... Yeah. So, I'm pretty sure you take this off and you just put it back on. And just put this right through it. As you can see, it's the same size. So, it's... I don't know if I like that. Oh my god, what the frick is this crap? Dude, this crap is freaking me out, man. Dude, they're like... that one didn't do that, right? No, that... Dude, I'm tripping balls. I'm not even joking. Like, look at that. Dude, what happened? Why is it... Just, if you do this, be careful. Don't cut yourself, obviously. Oh, so it's... Okay, so liner. Okay, so it went down. And locked in place. Dude, that's kind of trippy, though, isn't it? This is probably very dangerous because the blade's right there and you're moving it back and forth, yada, yada, yada. That's a pocket clip, though. And it goes right there. I don't like that. But that's, you know, whatever. I would not use that. I don't know. I don't know. It looks goofy, though. I would think it would look goofy right there. I'm not real big into pocket clips right there. Never have been. Okay, so that's cool, too. Okay, so here, let's look. So it slides back in. It's got little notches on it right here. And you got little grooves right in there on both sides, and they go right in and attaches right there and locked in the plate. Nope, didn't lock into place. Let's try it again. Okay, there you go. Locked into place that time. So let's check more of it out. So it does remind me a lot of that in a way. Same kind of similar look. I do actually like the way this looks a little better and feels a little better. Wish I had a pocket clip though. That's kind of shady. Did I even tell you what this is called? I can't even remember. This is called, speaking of shady, this is the Rike Shadow. Black titanium handle and M390 blade. So this is more like a reverse taunt, I would say, maybe. I do not know for sure. A reverse taunt, like drop pointish thing. My camera sucks for scanning or zooming in, or looks like it's all blurry and crap. So there you go. This is number. Is that an 8? Looks like a. Okay, off screen. Looks like a 301. Sorry, I had to take it off screen. So I don't know how many that is out of how many. Not quite sure. But it's an M390. It's got the thumb pads again. Got a liner lock right there. The pads don't work too shabby. I kind of like it also for the reverse. That didn't work too well. Okay, when I dig the thumbnail underneath, that works just fine. When you actually use the pad of your thumb. I don't like that because Okay, I don't like that. So I have to really dig my thumbnail underneath, like right there, to get it to flick open. I like that better. That just works a little better for me. But overall, it's like flipping it, like reverse flick is awesome. Let's get that flipper tab. Reverse or rear flip. Got it jimping on it, good lord. Definitely got some jimping on there all the way around it. Just to make sure you hit that. And I did not flip it real well there. Okay, what's going on? There we go. Got a little bit of jimping right there. Almost like a little ramp too. I like that. Okay, that's kind of cool. I'm digging that too. Jimping and a little ramp right there. And I really dig this. It feels 10 times. Honestly, that doesn't feel too bad. It really doesn't. This feels a lot better in hand. I feel like I haven't really done much of a very good in this video just because I've been flabbergasted the entire time. But these are kind of cool. They're very different. They're very different, very unique. But I'm really going to go with this shadow right here. It looks really good. I like it. I like the way it looks. I like the way it feels. Got the word shadow right there. RK for the Rike. Not bad. I kind of like it. And plus, what I liked about these also, look, no screws. Everything's hidden. Super cool, right? Same with this just about, except for the pivot. There you go. You got one screw. I guess the thumb pad. The thumb pad's not on there, so you can't ever take those off, I'm guessing. I don't know if they're like glued on or what. But these you can take off, apparently. That's cool. But I like that. These are pretty dope. I'm pretty much digging them, especially that one. That's all I got, though. Now I gotta play around with them, just figure more out about them for the final review. But that's all I got. If you guys liked the video, leave a thumbs up. And if you have any comments or questions, just leave it on the comment section. Thank you.